What up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're transferring over our last fancy goldfish that we had. Now we have three in here. We have Goldie, which is our newest one, technically the little one. We also have Cheese Ball, and we also have this one that still has no name, and as well as this one, my biggest one. Let's get a better look. The glass is a little dirty because of the allergy, but because I have no plecos in there, and I don't think I'm gonna put one unless when the temperature gets a little better. I'll probably put one, but for right now, this is on a no heater tank, so just want you guys to know that. Anyway, so we have this one that has no name. We have Cheese Ball in the back that's bigger, and we have Goldie. Now this one that we have here is even bigger. Don't have a name for it, him or her, but it is another oranda. So yeah, looks very similar to Cheese Ball. Do need a name for him or her. Put it down in the comments below. He is pooping. Also need a name for this one. So we're probably gonna set up one for this one first. So drop a name down below. I'm thinking Nemo. What do you guys think? But we are doing a little bit of a water change in here. We have our commons down here below. These guys are gonna be going outside in the kind of don't want to spoil too much, but I am trying to make a pond. I'm in the works of doing that right now. So these guys will probably be going in there, letting these guys get a little bigger. We got one that in there that got really big really fast. So yeah, these are all cold water fish, so it'll be fine. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just transferring him over. He's acclimating because he was in that tank over there, a little one, a little 10-gallon tank, but now he's in here. He's gonna have a lot more space to swim around, and this is a 40-gallon breeder, so he'll be doing fine in here, I believe. I do need to get some sort of thing to fill up there. Thinking about making an overflow box. Again, I'm just thinking about it. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do, but yeah. Anyway, we're in the middle of doing water changes too, so. We filled up the bottom tank. Now we just have to wait for this guy to finish acclimating and we can let him go. And he can swim free in this algae infested place. We also have a bunch of moss in there. That's growing pretty well. I'm gonna start selling some of this. I mean, if you look at it carefully, this is very healthy moss. And what's it called? Whatever I have extra that's growing from inside these aquariums. These are all snail free, by the way. No snails. But when I have like a bunch like that, I would just scoop some up and throw them back in there after they finish growing. For example, like here, it's already getting into a nice, good amount. For it to say, so we could just basically scoop up or try to scoop up a good amount. I don't take out everything. Well, this time I did, but I will be putting some back. For example, I would just take this chunk, leave that big chunk in there, and I can put this one back in there so it can keep growing. And it also does help with the nutrients and everything like that. Do have other plants in there as well. Like in here, this one is not doing too well, so maybe we have to take it out and redo it. But we try not to keep any in here, especially when we have live fish trying to breed. This is more of a grow out tank, stuff like that. Like, look at that. Look at the amount in there. And the more I take this out, the faster it grows back. So the more I'll get basically more of it. And these guys will definitely produce enough waste for me. So, yeah. While we wait for that to acclimate, I'm going to just stop it here. And then when we come back, we'll be able to release this bad boy. I do need a name, so don't forget to comment that down below in the comments. I'm going to start selling this moss on my eBay page. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I'm going to start selling on eBay. I need to make a website. So if you guys have any recommendations, drop them down in the comments below. I need a website. I need one as soon as possible so I can start to sell some of these plecos. I don't want to do it through eBay anymore, to be honest. But yeah, anyway, we'll come back soon. Gonna release the last one. See the size difference? A lot of poop in there, but yeah, chunky guys. Anyway, yep, that's it for the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully I see you in the next video.